Hello students. Students, we have completed till thank you line. Next we have to start with I looked up, but before starting with the next paragraph, we will going to take a quick brush up of the previous paragraph. So what happened? The narrator, she just followed the girl along the passage. So she saw that a Hanukkah candle holder, which is very big, which is hung next to the mirror. So she start remembering that she never used, just because it was too unmanageable, it was too heavy, so that is why they never prefer to use this candle holder. Then what happened, the girl asked her to sit down as she just opened the door for the living room. Then what happened, when narrator went inside, she was standing in a room which she knew as well as she didn't knew. So in this line it means that she knew because like many of the things of narrators were there, so her belonging were there, and she didn't knew. This means the atmosphere and the place which right now narrator was unknown. So that is why she is saying that like she was in a place which she knew as well as she didn't knew. So narrator was actually standing in the middle of the things which she didn't want to say, because didn't want to see, because these things were creating more and more disturbed. Means she was getting disturbed, she was getting very upset, or you can say just because she was seeing the way things were arranged, as well as the second reason was just because of humid smell which is coming from the room, or you can say the ugly furniture. So these might be the reason, because it looked very scary. So the girl, she just pulled a chair for her, and when narrator said, she started rubbing her finger on the wooden tablecloth. So as she rubbed the like her finger, it started getting warm. So she just followed the line of pattern which she remembered, that she just started remembering that like this cloth is having a burn mark, and I guess it was not repaired, and up till now it was also not repaired, right? So the girl at that time, she told her mother would be back soon, as if she would like to have a cup of tea, right? Then like narrator replied to her question that thank you. So students, we have completed till thank you. Next we are coming with I looked up. I looked up. The girl put cups ready on tea table. She had a broad back, so just looked up, and she saw that the girl, sorry, have put two cups of tea in front of her, and her back was also broad, just like a mother. She poured tea from a white teapot. So she just poured tea from the teapot, which is having a gold border on the lid. All it had was a golden border on the lid. So she remembered that this teapot and this tea set is actually ours, because she remembered that it is having a gold border on the lid. I remembered. She opened a box and took some spoons out, and then that girl, Darling's daughter, she just opened a box and took some spoons. That's nice box, I heard my own voice. And she said, by seeing, in fact it was her only, right, which Mrs. Darling took many years before. But she said to that girl that it's a nice box. I heard my own voice. So she just complimented girl about the box, and the weirdest thing is that she was hearing her own voice by saying this, right? It was strange voice, as though each sound was different in this room. So here she said that it was very strange voice. In fact it's my voice, but it's very strange, although whenever she was speaking, she was hearing some different voice, different sound in this room. Oh, you know about them? She had turned round and brought my tea. So that girl, she said, oh, you know about them? And then she turned round and bought my tea. She just bought her tea. She laughed. My mother say it's antique. So here Darling's daughter, she said, do you know that my mother used to say it's antique? In fact, she knew everything. Means Mrs. S daughter, narrator, knew everything. She was just listening to her. We have got lot more. She pointed round the room, and now she is telling narrator that we are having lot and lot of more spoons, lot and lot of more antique things. And then she just pointed round the room. See for yourself. So here that girl is saying that you can see, right? And she was like following her direction. I had no reason to follow her hand. So here narrator, she is saying that I don't need her to follow, because I can see that these all things, I mean she's thinking that these all things belongs to me only, so I don't want to follow her. I knew which things she meant, and she very well she knew that which all things she were talking about. I just looked at the still life over the tea table. As a child, I always fancied the apple uh, on the pewter plate. So what is pewter plate? Pewter plate is basically a plate which is made of grey alloy, right? It's of tin. Like for eating, we basically at that time people use pewter plate. I just looked at the still life over the tea table. As a child, I always fancied the apple on the pewter plate. We used it for everything, she said. Once we even ate off the plates hanging there on the wall. So that girl, she is telling that, we use these antique plates for many purpose. In fact, we used to eat also, right, on these on this like antique plates. Once even ate off the plates hanging there on the wall. So she is saying that, what happened one day, we have even ate on these plates which were hanging over there. I wanted to so much, but it wasn't anything special. So she also wanted her belongings back, but now it wasn't special. I had found the burn mark on the tablecloth. The girl looked questioningly at me. Finally, a narrator, she just found a burn mark on this tablecloth, and when she found that, she was rubbing her finger on the tablecloth, she was following the patterns on the tablecloth. Then finally when she found the burn mark, so at that time, like, some question arose in the uh, in the mind of that girl, means Darling's daughter. Yes, I said, you get so used to touching all these lovely things in the house, you hardly look at them anymore. So finally, she said, narrator said that, you are so lucky that you are touching these all things, right, in your house. I mean, you are having these all things, and you are lucky enough that you are touching and you are feeling these lovely things the house. You hardly look them anymore, and now you are, you even didn't bother that it's having burn mark, or means she said this thing indirectly. She didn't said in a direct manner, but she said it in indirect form. You hardly look them anymore.